Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, I want to tell you about how cheetahs are our world's super speed champions, faster than any animal on land. But what makes them truly amazing isn't only their incredible speed, it's their patience and their super sharpened senses. Because of this, they can help us learn about our fourth character equation. Patience plus keen senses equals perception. When cheetahs slow down and notice details, they strengthen their patience and sharpen their senses through careful observation, allowing them to develop accurate perception of the world around them. They slowly learn, listen, and look carefully before they ever take off running. Just like you do when you choose patience and use your senses for observation. While you're watching this video, be sure to listen for these interesting words: patience, senses, perception, keen, observation, sprint, sight, vision, seeing, hearing, listening, tasting, smelling, balance, proprioception, and vestibular system. Observation might sound like a big word, but it simply means choosing to be patient while you use all of your senses to understand what's really happening around you. Your eyes to see, your ears to hear, your nose to smell, your tongue to taste, your hands and skin to feel, and even your balance and body awareness. These senses are called proprioception and your vestibular system. When you use these senses together, your brain gathers the truth about the world around you. Keen means well developed or sharpened and practiced well. Keen senses means you have sharpened and practiced using your senses, using all your abilities to see, hear, touch, smell, taste, balance, and feel the awareness of where your whole body is in space. Cheetahs listen for animal calls and the whisper of the wind. They feel the ground for stomping of big animals or the rumble of thunder. They sniff the air for the scent of other creatures, water, or even the smoky warning of a grass fire. All these signals are tiny bits of information traveling through their senses to their brain. This helps them make helpful choices, stay safe, and protect themselves, their family, and their friends. Their senses bring in truth. They don't rely and act on what they wish to be true. They respond to what is true. The truth guides them to food, water, safety, and even friendships and teamwork. We can learn from cheetahs. When they practice using their senses, those senses become strong and reliable tools. When we practice patience and sharpen our senses, we understand our world better, our relationships better, and our daily needs better, so we can get better at taking care of ourselves and others at the same time. To do this well, we have to work together as a team. That means becoming an excellent member of our human family, choosing to believe what is actually true based on what our senses tell us, what we see, hear, smell, taste, and feel through touch, balance, and body awareness. Sometimes what we wish to be true feels easier or more comfortable, but when we have the courage to pay attention to what is actually true, using our well-rested, well-trained senses, we gain the information we need in our brain and mind to solve problems, help each other, and have helpful fun, to discover new cures, explore clean energy, eat healthier foods, and make life better in big and small ways. Cheetahs exemplify this character equation well because they work together as a team in their families and communities, using patience and keen senses to develop excellent perception. This makes them excellent team members as they work together to protect one another, find food and water, rest well, and make life better, just like we do. Cheetahs may be the fastest animals on Earth, but they're also experts at slowing down and being patient. Choosing to be patient and observant to build keen senses is the first step towards strong perception, the ability to understand what is real, what is true, what is needed, and what will help. Before cheetahs ever run fast, they practice slowly first. They use their eyes to notice even the tiniest movements far away, like a bird hopping, a tail flicking, or a little ripple in the grass. Cheetahs use their ears like super microphone receivers that can turn and tune into every sound. When they stay still and listen closely, they can tell exactly where each sound is coming from. They learn to wait, listen, and make sense of the sounds around them because patience and good listening always go hand in hand. Even tasting helps cheetahs learn about their world. Young cubs use their sense of taste to explore and discover what is safe, healthy, and helpful. Just like when you try new foods, even if you're not sure at first, patience helps you learn what is good for your body and what you should stay away from. Cheetahs also learn a lot through touch. Their paws help them balance, steady themselves, and move with careful control. They feel the ground beneath them, rough, soft, warm, cool, bumpy, or smooth, and this helps them stay steady, aware, and gracefully in control. Patience helps them learn from every new feeling their paws discover. Their noses helps them remember important things. Cheetahs use scent to find their family, safe paths, and places that they've been before. Each smell carries a little story, and when they slow down to really notice those smells, they remember where safety, strength, and smart choices can be found. Cheetahs have a sixth sense and a seventh sense that guides their whole body, just like you do. They know exactly where their bodies are in space, how to stay balanced, and when to move fast, slow, low, or high. They learn this through patience, practice, and using all their senses working together. When they're cubs, they roll, tumble, and jump with their brothers and sisters and friends. This play helps them sharpen their awareness, where their paws, tails, legs, and head, their whole bodies are in space. That is proprioception, and that leads to helping them build skills and awareness of balance. And that's using their vestibular system, which is located deep in their ear, just like yours is. Yes, cheetahs learn through patience, practice, and using all their senses together. That's perception, wisdom in motion. So before cheetahs sprint, which means running as fast as they can, they pause and pay attention. Their patience and their senses help them make wise, helpful choices. And that's what helps them become both fast and smart. You can do the same. Just like cheetahs, you're still growing and sharpening your senses every single day. Every time you pause, notice, listen, and observe, you're training your brain to see the truth clearly and make wise choices. So take a deep breath, look around, and trust your amazing senses. You've got cheetah perception power inside you. Every day, just like the cheetahs, you have the chance to pause and choose to make the traits in our fifth character equation your very own, just like cheetahs do. Patience plus keen senses equals perception. And don't forget, if you need a refresher on how to make your best choices in your own life, you can go back and watch the Healthy, Happy, Free videos. Until next time, keep making choices that include all three to be healthy, happy, and free.